Hi, this is Jordan from Good Sports Outdoor Outfitters. Today we're going to talk about the new 4D Mag goggle by Smith, and it's featuring their new bird's eye view with their chroma pop lens technology. It's supposed to be the next thing when it comes to peripheral vision, not only from the side but also looking down. So let's get into it. Comes with a nice hard case. Comes with dual lenses. The second lens being an igniter RC50 lens, so you get about 50% light transmission through this is on the dark day. So you can see from this beveling, that's that bird's eye view technology. And when the goggle is on, you get better peripheral vision. But when you're looking down, especially at a steep line or something, and you need to glance down, the frame is no longer blocking the bottom of the vision spectrum. These are interchangeable, as you can see. And the way to do that is you take these little fins on the side, these little fins right here, and then I just take it and pop the lens out. Super easy to put it back in, put the magnets in place, and I just make sure that my lenses are back, flipped in, and it's interchanged. Within 5 or 6 seconds, you can easily do this, especially on a long lift ride. The band is siliconized on the backside, so it does hold the helmet really nicely. And this product not being OTG with the side cutouts, but it is 3-density foam, which makes it real soft on the face. But for people like me who wear glasses, you should probably look at the new Prophecy with the chroma pop lens. It's a beautiful piece. But you have 3-density foam, as I was saying. It's hypoallergenic, real comfortable, very good ventilation throughout. Again, it's just their newest, latest, greatest technology. You should come by and see it, and I hope you have a great ski trip.